welcome to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Stephanie and this is the Farmhouse Mom. Today we are going to go down and shop at the swap meet right next to our house. So come on with us and let's get some shopping done.
Probably take off the sweatshirt. You want me to take that off?
No, just leave it on for now.
Okay,
Hey, or girl.
Here, hold this one. I'll just take that and go. Alright. Yep. Come on, guys.
Well, how much is your other goat?
Yes. That one over there is $100. It's a Barbados. Little Barbados.
Oh, that is a little Jerry.
I'm so glad you found them. I told you there would be some other.
Is this 100% Bower?
Yes.
Is he available?
No.
Okay.
He's actually going home for a herd fire. Right
nice.
now.
We just bought two up at a farm close to Pittsburgh, Kansas.
Yeah.
Two does. And then I've got a.
What'd you get for the doe?
All right, I see some junk over here I want to look at.
Brindley. Come on. Brindley. Brindley.
Look at that big chicken. Oh, there's a little guinea. There's a little guinea. And a Polish. Look at that little Polish head. That's a big boy, huh?
Yeah, at least they got him.
That is a big boy. All right, let's catch up here with Dad. Whoa! Hissing cockroach.
Hissing? Yeah, they're right there.
Wow.
Hissing cockroach.
That's awesome.
And some of those in your bed.
Yeah, we need that pig. We tell Dad, we definitely need pigs. Oh, puppies.
Oh, look at the ducks.
Pregúntale.
They're already sold.
The lifeblood of America here.
Well, you have to say it's Jack.
Jumping in there. I'm just looking for some.
You want to go down this aisle?
Yep. Watch out behind you. Got a baby.
Give me my jacket.
Oh, we got chicken loose. It's already in the woods. He's too fast for you, honey.
chicken.
Yeah, you're not getting that chicken.
Does anyone have a drink?
You need a drink after chasing that chicken?
It's a rooster, Mom. That's why it's so fast.
Did you find some chickens? Show me the chickens. Where are they?
Don't let us be kind.
You like that chicken?
You got it. Thank you guys. Thank you.
All right. Let's go, Babs.
That's my wife.
Easter stuff?
Yeah. I actually got some brand new.
How cool is that?
Yeah.
Somebody look at that thing.
That's really something, isn't it?
Yeah.
What are you asking for your little,
$40. This is my neighbor.
is it?
It's got all the running gear underneath, the chain, the pedals, everything.
Well, we didn't find any